Welcome to Ansari Online TV and AnsariOnline.com, your ultimate source for Forex trading insights and worldwide information. Join us as we dive into the exciting world of Forex trading, where we bring you expert analysis, market trends, and strategies to help you succeed. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Ansari Online TV and AnsariOnline.com is here to empower you with knowledge that will elevate your trading game. Explore the intricacies of the Forex market and gain valuable tips to maximize your profits. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the game with Ansari Online TV. Let's conquer the world of Forex together.
If you're looking for alternatives to Forex Factory for fundamental analysis and staying updated with Forex news, here are 5 popular websites you can consider. Investing.com. Investing.com offers a wide range of financial news, including Forex news, market analysis, economic indicators, and real-time quotes. It also provides an economic calendar and a community section where traders can discuss various topics. DailyFX. DailyFX is a comprehensive website that covers Forex news, market analysis, trading education, and technical analysis. It offers regular updates, trading signals, economic calendars, and educational resources to help traders make informed decisions. FXStreet. FXStreet is another popular platform for Forex news and analysis. It provides real-time news coverage, technical analysis, economic calendars, live webinars, and educational resources. Traders can also access their forums to interact with other members of the trading community. BabyPips. BabyPips is known for its educational content, but it also offers Forex news and analysis. The website provides market updates, trading tools, economic calendars, and a comprehensive School of Pipsology that teaches traders the basics and advanced concepts of Forex trading. ForexLive. ForexLive is a platform that focuses on real-time Forex news and analysis. It offers breaking news, technical analysis, economic data releases, and market commentary from experienced traders. The website also provides a live chat feature for traders to discuss market events and strategies. These websites can serve as alternatives to Forex Factory and help you stay informed about the Forex market and make better trading decisions. Remember to conduct your own research and analysis before making any trading decisions, based on the information provided by these platforms.
Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. I am not providing financial advice, and I am not responsible for any losses that you may incur as a result of following my analysis. You should always do your own research before making any trading decisions. I am providing you with information that I believe to be accurate, but I cannot guarantee that it is 100% accurate.
Subscribe now.